Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Philo in the Philippines, and I want to show you guys something that you're never ever going to see probably in the USA again. Something we had is when we were kids. We were fortunate enough to have this kind of stuff, but check it out. You've got all these firework vendors for New Year's. So, of course, you guys know me and Chris Calbo are going to be together on New Year's, so we're going to do it up right. We're going to blow the street up that I live on, and we put $3K into each, and we're going to buy $6K worth of fireworks. So we'll see what that gets us. Let's have a look. I talked to these guys here yesterday when I was here, so I'm going to buy from them. It looks like they all have the same thing here, and they're going to be pretty much the same price. So let's go have a look at what they've got, okay? Oh, no smoking. Ay, nako. Why no smoking? I wonder. Anyway, these are all different types of fountains. This one is this one, right?
Yes, sir. They are the same.
How many's in there?
100 pieces, sir.
Ilan ang?
100 pieces.
100 pieces?
Yes.
Makano? For this one?
Sir, you can get it at 1,500, sir.
1,500, okay. 1.5 or 160 for this one, right?
Yes, sir. They are different ones, sir.
Is this a firework or just explode?
Fireworks.
It goes up in the air and boom, or it goes up in the air and makes a star.
No, sir. That one that makes stars. The flame of the era. We can call it aerial, sir.
Oh, this one. I see, yeah. This is more of a traditional firework. Aha. You see that? My God, it's heavy. Ay, nako. You can see all of the stuff they have here. What about this one? What's this one? Smoking fountain. Which one is for the kids? Good for kids. Safe for the children. These here?
Those are different 5 colors. This one, sir.
Which side do you put the light? This side or that side? Do you know?
I'm not sure, sir.
Ay, nako. If you're not sure, gotta be this side, huh?
Yes, sir.
And then it burns down, probably all this. But the kid can hold this? The child can hold this?
Yes, sir. And then, it's made for the kids, sir.
It's made for the kids, okay.
Roman candle yan, ma'am, yung may sumusulpot.
Magkano dito?
250, sir.
250 for one.
For 10 pieces na yan, sir.
Okay, we'll take 4 of these. That's a good start. Ay, nako. What is it?
Worm.
Oh, wow.
You want a fountain?
It's going to be a butterfly. That's going to be a butterfly, probably. And what are these?
Flash pots, sir. It's a small fountain with the crackers.
Small fountain.
Yes, sir.
Also good for the kids, maybe.
Yes,
No.
sir. But no need, not here for the kids, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we got to have some of these. These are bottle rockets, you guys, but big ones. Look at that. 160 each, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you said yesterday? We're going to get 3 of these. 3 of those. Now, what are these? These looks like it's for the kid too.
Yes.
Or maybe this one. Mabuhay Rainbow.
It is the special one, sir. Special.
Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on my video today. If you haven't already done it, what I'd like to ask you to do is to subscribe to my channel. Very easy, just push that subscribe button, ring that bell, and what that does is that tricks the YouTube algorithm into believing that people actually like my channel. So if you would do that for me, it would be greatly appreciated. And don't forget to click the link down below, Philo in the Philippines Facebook page. Click that link, hit the thumbs up, the like button on that page. You'll see any and everything that I post here in Angeles City. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching again, and let's get back to the video now, all right?
A version of this one, sir. It's already 24 pieces, sir, in the box.
How much is that one?
350, sir.
350.
Yes, sir.
I mean, what do we have so far?
4 pieces of this, sir.
We've got, okay, we have these for the kids. Here, I'll take 2 of these away and add 2 of those. This one and this one. Now, boy, this is fun, ain't it?
How about this, honey?
Huh?
Counting, sir.
Okay, get one of those. Macano?
I'll give it 450. I have a discount for this.
Oh, Boontee's discount? Okay, get one of those. And what about this one?
It's already counting sweet crackers, sir.
Angel Eye. Rose Garden. Jumbo Fountain.
This, sir, this kind of fountain drink can long 14 feet, sir. This one.
And these are how much?
This one, sir, for 500.
Give me some, let's get one of those. So what do we got so far? The price. How much are we? Add that up and see what we got. Maybe we have some more room. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to blow shit up. We're getting the Boontee's discount.
Yes, sir.
The pregnant girl discount.
Fountain.
Another fountain. And what's this one? Do you know what this one is? It's 2 pieces of something. 1.5 for that? Wow, that must be really nice. It's so expensive. Five Saturn missiles. Ooh, what's that? That looks like something that shoots up in the air, then lands on somebody's roof and causes a fire. Cool. Diamond fireworks. Saturn missile. Look at the size of this thing, my God. Now that shoots off real fireworks. Look at that. Can you believe that you can buy that legally? My God. In the USA, you'd never be able to buy that. You want one of those hats?
Yeah, green.
They're right there behind you. See it? Pick which one you want. You want green one? Huh? Yeah. No, honey, it's fireworks, not a hat.
Sir.
Oh, it's a real hat?
Yes, and Orota. It's a local, sir.
You can't set it on fire?
No, sir. It's actually made for...
Oh, is it for the, it makes a noise?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. That's just what we need. Get one of those for Bella and one for your niece. Huh? Okay, I will check back in with you guys when we get home. I'll show you what we got, okay? More later. Thanks for watching. Philo's Pyromaniac Show, New Year's Eve in Barangay Dau. Don't miss it. Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look at what we got, what we ended up with for fireworks. Spent 6,180 pesos, and I tell you what guys, it doesn't get you much, but it's still gonna be fun. Check it out. We got all these bottle rockets. These things are, I mean, look at the size of that thing. I mean, that's gonna be a loud explosion when it goes off. We've got, for the kids, we've got these are sparklers. You guys know what these are. And this is some kind of other sparkler, I'm not really sure. We'll find out when we light them, I guess. These are all little fountains, glory days. These guys are really cool, these flash pots. She showed me a video of what they do. That's 1,000 pesos just for 6 of those. These are some other fountains that are really nice. A big fountain, and then the big granddaddy fountain. So that should be fun. Anyway, yeah, that's 6,000 pesos. You got 120 bucks. So fireworks are expensive. And what's shocking is they sell actual real fireworks, which is scary. You saw in the video those big, heavy, I mean, my God, some of those things weigh over 10 kilos. Can't imagine. All right, let's do a house tour now. This is the front door of the place. And as you can see, we've got a little bit more space. There's Jonah Dona back there, getting ready for breakfast.
Good morning, guys.
We've got some nice Hanabishi windmill fans that creates a typhoon-like wind in the room. Just got me a new 55-inch Samsung with the powered light bar. That's really nice to have. There you go. This is what we're looking at. We got a new dining room table. We did just buy a new couch as well. Real happy with that. A lot more space here, guys. We're so happy to have the space. We've got your basic pantry type kitchen with a sink, and then the dirty kitchen is out here. We've got what's nice is we've got another deep sink here. I don't know what this foam, I don't know what we're doing with that foam. I haven't figured that out yet, but it doesn't matter. We've got a washing machine, oven, plenty of storage, plenty of cabinet storage for cookware, other things. And down below there's storage. We've got a 2-burner. That's a gas stove, so it's much nicer to cook on a flame. I'm much more happier cooking on a flame. Of course, rice is life with the cooker there. Nice to have the dirty kitchen. Giant Samsung or Sanyo AC. That thing turns this place into the Arctic Circle in about 5 minutes. Downstairs CR. Very nice. We changed over the toilets to American Standard, brand new. I've got some work to do, you know, on these faucets, and the valves are kind of, I'm going to replace all the valves and probably replace that faucet because it's shot. They did put in a brand new shower head for us up here. It's a cold shower downstairs, hot shower upstairs. Let's have a look upstairs. Are you hungry?
Not so.
I'm hungry. Let's go upstairs and have a look. My estimate on this place, you guys, is right around 1,600 square foot. Maybe even bigger. Okay, guest bedroom. Giant bedrooms with lots of storage. I mean, these things are huge. I love all of the storage that we have, you know. So nice to have it. This cabinet as well. It's a closet / storage. Very nice. The windows are great here. You just open these guys up, open these screens up, and you can open the whole house up. It's so nice to have all this breeze coming in here. Just a minute there. Get those closed back up. And the master bedroom. Very nice. Again, lots of storage. And just giant rooms. I mean, these rooms are massive. I love the size of the bedrooms. You know, one bedroom here is almost the size of our old apartment. You know. Yeah, in fact, it probably is. One bedroom in this apartment is probably the size of our entire apartment in the last place. And we have another split level up here unit. Very nice. And the master bedroom CR does have hot water, of course. New toilet. American Standard, baby. And there you go. That's it, guys. I know a lot of people were wanting to see the new digs. That's it. Thanks for watching the vlog today, and we'll see you again on the next one. Keep smiling, everybody. Bye now. Oh, Happy New Year also. Bye now.